Feeding many, spending little. Smart tips for big families. Hello and welcome to Pour to Pro. Feeding a large family can feel like a full-time job, especially when grocery prices keep climbing. But with a bit of planning and smart shopping, you can keep everyone fed and happy without blowing your budget. So here are practical, time-saving, and wallet-friendly tips to help you feed a big family well. Creating a weekly meal plan can make a big difference because it helps you avoid impulse purchases, reduce food waste, and save time during the week. Start by listing your family's favorite meals and rotating them. Pro tip: plan meals that use similar ingredients to stretch your grocery dollars further. Big families mean bigger quantities. Buying staples like rice, pasta, beans, flour, oats, canned goods, and frozen vegetables in bulk can dramatically reduce your cost per serving. Pro tip: use warehouse clubs or bulk bins at discount grocery stores. Prepare big meals that can be eaten more than once. Casseroles, soups, stews, and pasta bakes are all affordable and easy to double. Bonus tip: freeze leftovers for future quick meals. Use budget-friendly staples. Build meals around inexpensive but filling ingredients like rice, beans, eggs, potatoes, pasta, cabbage, carrots, and seasonal produce. These items are nutrient-dense and stretch a long way. Stretch meat or use alternatives. Meat can be one of the most expensive parts of a meal, so stretch it by mixing with beans, lentils, and grains, or opt for cheaper proteins like canned tuna, ground turkey or chicken, eggs, and tofu. Make 2 to 3 dinners per week vegetarian to cut costs, so try bean chili, lentil soup, veggie stir-fry, or pasta primavera. Involve your kids in meal prep. It saves time, teaches them valuable skills, and makes them more likely to eat what's served. DIY snacks and sweets. Buying prepackaged snacks can be pricey, so instead, make your own. Popcorn, granola bars, muffins, trail mix, and yogurt parfaits. Never shop without a list. It keeps you focused and helps avoid overspending. Pro tip: organize your list by section, produce, dairy, pantry, to shop faster. Use leftovers wisely. Turn last night's dinner into today's lunch. Roast chicken becomes sandwiches or soup. Chili becomes burritos. Shop sales and use coupons. Keep an eye on local flyers and apps. Plan meals around what's on sale and don't be afraid to stock up when there's a deal. Make your own bread or pizza dough. It's easier than you think and costs pennies compared to store-bought. This adds variety and makes planning easier. For example, soup and sandwich on Thursdays. Homemade pizza on Fridays. Even a small garden or window box can provide herbs, tomatoes, or lettuce to stretch your grocery budget. Thanks for watching, and no matter your situation, you can go from poor to pro, so hit that subscribe button and let's get started.